Introduction. The Champion's Entry. I stand before you today not just as a messenger, but as a living testament to the power of the winning spirit. I have discovered that life does not give you what you want. It gives you what you are. And today, I am a winner. I am a winner in my wealth. I am a winner in my health. And I am a winner in every dimension of my existence. We are here to reprogram the very fabric of your subconscious mind. We are here to strip away the participant mentality and replace it with a champion frequency. You are not born to struggle. You are born to dominate. This presentation, I am a winner every day, is your roadmap to a total life victory. We will move through 6 pillars of dominance: wealth, health, happiness, wisdom, love, and discipline. Each section is designed to rewrite your internal script and anchor you in a state of inevitable success. But before we begin this deep work session, I need you to commit to this journey of excellence. Hit subscribe and tap the thumbs up if you love this type of content. By doing so, you are telling the algorithm of the universe and this platform that you are ready for high vibration, elite transformation. Your engagement fuels our community of winners. Today, the losing ends. Today, the winning becomes your permanent state. Let us step into the winner's circle together. Section 1. The Sovereign of Financial Victory. I acknowledge that my financial reality is a direct reflection of my internal state of winning. I no longer speak of lack. I speak only of overflow. I am a winner in my wealth because I have claimed my seat at the table of infinite abundance. I understand that money is simply energy, and energy follows the command of the champion. I am the source of my own prosperity. Every dollar that leaves my hand returns to me 100-fold, carrying with it the seed of more wealth. I win in my investments, I win in my career, and I win in my entrepreneurial ventures. I attract wealth because I represent wealth. My confidence is the currency of my success. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am a winner in my wealth every single day. I am a money magnet. Opportunities find me effortlessly. I am a winner in business. I am a winner in my bank account. Millions are attracted to my frequency. I am wealthy. I am free. I am a winner. Guided visualization. Close your eyes and see yourself walking into a massive, high-tech vault. The air smells like crisp paper and expensive leather. You see shelves filled with gold bars and stacks of currency. But more importantly, you see digital screens showing your assets growing in real time. Feel the profound peace of mind that comes with total financial dominance. You are not stressed. You are sovereign. You see yourself signing major contracts, giving generously to causes you love, and living in an environment that reflects your highest worth. This wealth is not something you are chasing. It is something that is orbiting you because you are its center. You are the winner. Open your eyes and walk with that weight in your pockets. Section 2. The Biological Masterpiece of Victory. I am the winner of my own biology. My health is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of command. I am a winner with my health because I treat my body like the high-performance machine it is. Every morning, I win the battle against lethargy. I win the battle against processed toxins. I win the battle of vitality. My cells are programmed for victory. They heal faster, they regenerate stronger, and they vibrate with a frequency that illness cannot touch. I am the winner of my nervous system. I am the winner of my energy levels. I walk with a stride that signals to the world that I am at my peak. I am a winner because I have the discipline to honor this temple. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am a winner with my health every day. My body is a fortress of strength. I am full of limitless energy. I win in every workout. I win in every meal choice. My vitality is unshakable. I am strong. I am youthful. I am a winner. Guided visualization. Imagine you are standing on a mountaintop at sunrise. The air is pure and cold, but your body is radiating heat. See a bright, electric light pulsing from your core. With every heartbeat, that light flushes through your veins, cleaning out any debris, strengthening your bones, and sharpening your senses. See yourself in a mirror. Your eyes are clear, your skin is glowing, and your posture is elite. You feel a surge of power in your muscles. You are not just healthy, you are a physical champion. You see yourself moving with grace and speed, outlasting everyone else in the room. This health is your victory. It is yours to keep. Section 3. The Architecture of Absolute Happiness. I am the winner of my own emotional state. Most people let the world dictate how they feel, but I am a winner because I have mastered the art of internal bliss. I win with happiness because I have decided that my joy is independent of external circumstances. I am the source of my own peace. I win in the face of adversity because my perspective is tuned to find the lesson and the victory in every situation. I attract happiness because my energy is a magnet for high vibration experiences. My smile is a weapon of light. I win in my mental health. I win in my emotional resilience. I am the architect of a life that feels like a constant celebration. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am a winner with my happiness every day. My joy is unshakable. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I win against stress. I win against negativity. I am a source of light. I am happy. I am a winner. Guided visualization. Visualize a massive, shimmering sun in the center of your chest. This sun represents your joy. See it expanding until it creates a golden aura around your entire body. Now imagine walking through a crowded city street. People around you look stressed or tired, but as you pass them, your light touches them. You see them start to smile. You see their shoulders drop. You are so full of happiness that you are literally changing the atmosphere of the room. See yourself laughing, the kind of laughter that comes from the soul. You are not happy because of what you have. You are happy because of who you are. This is your emotional victory. Section 4. The Oracle of Intellectual Insight. I am a winner in my wisdom. I no longer struggle for answers because I am connected to the source of all knowledge. I win with my wisdom because I have the discipline to study, to listen, and to apply truth. My mind is a guided missile to success. I win in every negotiation because I see the moves before they are made. I win in every strategy because I operate from a place of deep intuition. I attract wisdom because I am a humble student of the universe. I am the source of the ideas that change industries. I am the winner of my intellectual life. I possess the clarity of a sage and the focus of a warrior. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am a winner with my wisdom every day. My intuition is always right. I am a genius of strategy. I win through clarity. I win through knowledge. My mind is my greatest asset. I am wise. I am insightful. I am a winner. Guided visualization. Imagine you are sitting in a room of total silence. In front of you is a large, glowing book. It is the book of your life's wisdom. Every time you have a question, the book opens to the exact page you need. See a violet light pouring from the pages and entering your mind. You feel a sense of profound knowing. You see the path forward clearly, without any doubt. You see yourself solving complex problems with a single thought. You see people coming to you for guidance because you are the oracle of your own life. You are not guessing. You are certain. This wisdom is your crowning victory. Section 5. The magnetism of harmonious love. I am a winner in love. I have stopped chasing and started attracting. I win in love because I have become the love I desire. I am the source of my own fulfillment, and therefore I am a magnetic match for high vibration, soulful connections. I win in my relationships because I have the wisdom to set boundaries, and the heart to be vulnerable. I attract partners who reflect my highest worth. My love life is not a source of drama. It is a source of prosperity and peace. I am a winner in my self-love, and that is the foundation upon which all other victories are built. I win in every interaction because I lead with love and power. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am a winner in love every day. I attract divine and harmonious relationships. My heart is open and protected. I am loved. I am cherished. I win in my connections. I am a magnet for soulful love. I am a winner. Guided visualization. Visualize a warm, pink and gold light surrounding you. This is the light of your love frequency. See yourself standing with a person or a group of people who truly see you, who respect you, and who celebrate your existence. Feel the safety of that connection. See yourself communicating with absolute truth and being received with absolute love. There is no conflict, only growth. Now, see yourself alone in a room, looking in a mirror, and feeling a surge of pride and affection for the person looking back. That self-love is the ultimate win. You are the source of this love, and it is infinite. Section 6. The discipline of the daily champion. I am the winner of my own discipline. Success is not a miracle. It is a manifestation of consistency. I win in my discipline because I have mastered the art of the morning ritual. While others are sleeping, I am winning. While others are distracted, I am focused. I am the source of my own momentum. I win the battle against my lower self every single day. I am a winner because I do what I said I would do, long after the feeling of the initial motivation has passed. My discipline is the bridge between my affirmations and my achievements. I am a winner because I have built a character that the universe respects. I am the champion of my routine. I win the day, every day. Now speak your future into existence by saying this aloud. I am a winner in my discipline every day. I master my time. I master my habits. I win the morning. I win the night. I am consistent. I am unstoppable. My discipline is my power. I am a winner. Guided visualization. See your daily calendar in front of you. Every hour is marked with a gold check mark, a symbol of a task completed with excellence. See yourself waking up early, with a clear mind and an energized body. Watch yourself moving through your day with absolute focus, ignoring distractions, staying on task, and finishing what you start. See the satisfaction on your face as you lay your head down at night, knowing you have won the day. This discipline is the iron in your spine. It is the reason you are a winner. You see the results stacking up, the bank account growing, the body transforming, the peace deepening. This is the winner's life. Final statement and outro. You have traveled through the 6 pillars of the winner's lifestyle. You have claimed your victory in wealth, health, happiness, wisdom, love, and discipline. But remember, the winning frequency must be maintained. It is a daily repetition. It is a morning discipline. You are the source. The world will try to pull you back into the participant category, but you must remind it, and yourself, that you are here to dominate. Carry this energy into your day. Walk like a winner. Talk like a winner. Think like a winner. Because you are. If this presentation has activated the champion within you, then I invite you to join our growing League of Masters. Hit subscribe and tap the thumbs up if you love this type of content. Join our community for more daily motivational content that keeps your vibration at an elite level. Leave a comment below with the words, "I am a winner," to lock this frequency into your reality. Share this with one person who needs to wake up their inner champion. I believe in your victory, but it is your job to live it. Go out there and win. I will see you in the next one. Stay elite. Stay a winner.